Hey guys, welcome to question FM269 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. This question reads, the map below shows all the bike trail connections between four friends' houses, A, B, C, and D. And then we're given this map here. A graph as shown below was made to represent this map, and then we're given this diagram here, which is a graph containing the information from this map. A mistake has been made in constructing this graph. The mistake can be corrected by, and then we're given 5 options of things we can do to correct this graph so that it represents the same information that we're given on this map. Option A says removing the loop at D. So this loop at D, what it would represent is a path that leads away from D, then back to D, without actually going through any of the other vertices. So what we're looking for here is a path where we could leave and then come back to D without passing through any of the other vertices. And we can do that in this little corner here. So it definitely isn't removing the loop at D. So A is not our correct answer. Option B then says removing an edge between D and C. So between D and C we have 4 edges, which means that there should be 4 different paths that we can take to go from D to C. So if we look at our map here, we go straight along this road. We could start up here, move down and go across, that's 2. We could start along here, move back up and then come to C there for 3. And our final path we could take there is 4. And those are all the paths. So between D and C, which means option B is not correct. And also when we look at option C, which says adding another edge between D and C, well, there was no 5th way for us to get from D to C, so that also eliminates option C. Option D says adding another edge between A and D. So far we have 3 edges between A and D, which means there should be 3 different paths we can take. So 1, 2, 3. So there is no 4th way that we can get from A to D, meaning D is not our correct answer, which leaves us only with E, but as always, we will always check to make sure that E is correct before choosing it. So E says adding another edge between A and C. So we've got 1 edge in there at the moment, and we'll see if we can find at least one other or just one other path to get from A to C. So we've got this obvious connection here, and then maybe a less obvious connection there, which means that we should have another edge going between A and C, making E our correct answer. If you guys have any questions about that, please drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.